People think that's the highest level of wickedness. Let me tell you, no, it's not. That is a wickedness in low spiritual places. How about wickedness in high spiritual places? Have you wondered what that is? See, people look at Epstein files. The way I see it, it's a distraction. And what worries me, I'm worried that a lot of people will be deceived, because while they're showing all the circus, it's a show, it's a grandiose show. The people who are in high spiritual places are cooking up something which most of the people will be